This is Fox 25 News at 10.
Leaving the dentist with a smile. New hope for people who are afraid of getting their teeth cleaned. Well, still ahead, if you dread going to the dentist, this is the story for you.
Coming up at 10, a local dentist who's working to make your next visit stress-free. Well, each year, millions of Americans avoid going to the dentist, and over time, obviously, that can cause them a lot of pain. Well, now a local dentist in Randolph is trying to make your next trip to the dentist a little easier. Maria Stefanos tells us how.
It can be a terrifying sound because you know what's about to happen. Nobody really likes going to the dentist. For some, it's the drill. For others, the awkward chair or the tools. But for Paula Richardson,
probably the pain.
The pain. You're afraid of getting pain.
I'm afraid of the pain.
Because of her fear, Paula has avoided the dentist for 20 years.
And I said I had to wait until the pain was greater than the fear.
And now she's paying the price.
Inevitably got a terrible toothache that was unrelieved by prayer. Called and said, I have a terrible toothache.
Paula is one of 94 million Americans who fear the dentist, but now there's hope for patients like her.
So we have come up with a new way of doing things. And this new way is sedation dentistry.
Dr. Robert Imami has practiced sedation dentistry for over 2 years and says it makes going to the dentist easy and painless.
And it's great because they come in once and they get 10, 15 different procedures done at one time.
And his patients agree.
I highly recommend it to anybody who's phobic.
Yeah.
It's very, takes the edge off, it makes me relax.
Here's how sedation dentistry works. The patient will typically take a Valium the night before their appointment.
The morning of the procedure, they take a triazolam, which is a sedative. It's a very safe sedative. And they take that, and that's where the process starts. They come into the office, we reassess them, and we find out how much more medicine they need, and we just take it from there.
After the work is done, Dr. Imami says the patients usually leave the chair with a new smile and no pain.
It's really important for their experience to be a comfortable, relaxing, and non-memorable experience, which would be nice.
Maria Stefanos, Fox 25 News.
And Dr. Imami reminds us that your oral health can affect your overall health, so it's important to visit the dentist at least twice a year.